Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Malibu LT, stock number Z7422X. Only 28,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Malibu brand new, just took it back in on trade. Sable metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Malibu is a very safe vehicle. Backup camera, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net, perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 28,000 miles. With driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, 4 radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, CD player, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, large glove box, overhead auto dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average 25 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7422X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.